Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van.
Fala tropinha, Sandra Total, trazendo mais vídeo do canal pra vocês, um highlight, vocês umas clipadas e eu jogando um CS ranqueado. Então deixa o like, se inscreve no canal e tropa, por enquanto eu vou estar fazendo só highlight, porque o meu celular ele não suporta gravar na ranqueada, porque fica muito travando e não fica boa a imagem e pesa muito pro celular. Então não tem como. Assim que eu conseguir arrumar meu celular que tá estragado, eu faço um vídeo jogando ranqueada. Pra quem não sabe, eu jogo no celular do meu pai 1 a 10. Aí é meio complicado, mas assim que eu arrumar o meu celular, já trago uns vídeos diferentes pra vocês, beleza? Por enquanto vai ser só highlight mesmo. E tamo junto, tropa. Deixa aquele likezinho, compartilha pra geral pra me ajudar. E feito.
Oh yeah, I roll up to the party with the handle of Bacardi, and I pass it off to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up to the party in a dress that shows her body, and she's hanging out with all of her friends. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Yeah, she wants to play it like that. Look her in the eyes and she's looking right back. Feel the heat rise with the right contact. She's playing with her hair, so I know she likes that. Yeah, I can feel the beat now. All I wanna do is get her out of the crowd, and on the dance floor with the bass so loud, making my move through the room right now. She used to dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again. Yeah, so we hit the dance floor, body on mine, want a little bit more. Shawty, you fine, build a little rap more, and we lose track of time, we don't care anymore. Yeah, feel the beat right now. Dance all alone in the middle of a crowd, drinking alcohol like we in another drought. Like LMFAO, taking shots right now. Shots, 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 shots. She's so hot, 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 hot. And then I got caught looking at her hot bod. I just wanna hop on, dance till the night's gone. Can't stop us, no, we don't take it slow. We put on a show, she gets real low. Drinks start to flow, we keep in the zone. We won't leave alone, we don't sleep at all. Dance again. She never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again. Oh yeah, I roll up to the party with the handle of Bacardi, and I pass it off to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up.
Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta,